Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and today I'll show you how to create a publicly available online form application in less than 10 minutes. Let's start. So we would like to create a system to sign in into workshops. Let's create a very simple process. We'll create a place that will hold initial token. Now we'll create a transition and call it simply sign into workshop. This will represent the screen on which any user can sign into our workshop. Then we'll create another place. We'll connect them with arcs now. Lastly, we'll create a transition in which we will interact with the sign in form as an admin. We will call this transition info and connect it with a place with a read arc, signalizing we don't want to change any data on this transition, only to read it. Now let's create a form itself. Right-click on a transition and select Create Form. From left side menu, pick Text Field, Simple, and drag it into Form Builder. Resize if necessary. On the right side, you can set the label of the field. In our case, let's name it Name. In Field Behavior, let's select Required. This will mean that the field will be required to be filled on the front end. Let's add more fields, surname and email. Now into the selection of workshops. We will use enumeration field for this. Set this field as Required. Set its label to Select Workshop. And now let's add 3 possible workshops into the options. By clicking Save, we save the current form. Right-click on a transition and select Configure Transition. In the list, select Assign Policy to Auto. The public view is now ready. Now, let's set up a view for admin. Right-click on an info and select Create Form. On the left side, you can see data fields that are already in the process. We will use them and arrange them in the same way how they were arranged on the form. The admin view is ready now. We just need to add permission so it's only visible for admin. Head into Role Edit View. Now, click on Add Role. We can name the role. Let's name it Admin. To assign the role for a transition, right-click on a transition and select Manage Permissions. Here, for admin row, click on View, so it shows True. This means that only admin will be able to view the content on the transition, but he will be unable to change it in any way. We are done with creation of our process. Let's download it and test it. For that, we'll head into Netgrif demo application. The video about how to sign into it will be in description. We'll upload the downloaded process from Netgrif Application Builder in the Processes tab. When uploaded, there is a field called Net Identifier. We will copy the string. With it, we'll be able to access the form. Now let's type in demo.netgrif.com/process and paste the string of net identifier we've copied earlier. When you click Enter, you will be moved into the form. What happened is that the system created a new case out of the process and you are able to see the first task. Let's fill the data now. Click Finish and job is done. If we log in into Netgrif demo application, we can see that there is one case created. If we assign the role of admin, we'll be able to see the task. Now, if we head into the case, we can see that there is indeed task info, which we as admin can see, but we cannot change the data. And this is it. We created a very simple application to collect data from users. In the next part, we'll look into how can we continue with the process on the side of the admin. But for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.